token. Our many customer are requesting me I can't log in with a token. Send me Flexihub ID and password. So we are providing Flexihub token at this moment. So you have to log into Flexihub with a token to remove who Samsung FRP or Samsung S Cloud. We are working by a Flexihub. So you have to log in Flexihub with token. So how to log in Flexihub token? I'm gonna see this video. It is helpful for you, I hope. Usually this video has been making only for my Asunlocker user. There are many user cannot log in with token. So first of all, you have to log in, open Flexihub software. You have to download this software from www.flexihub.com. www.flexihub.com. From here, download Flexihub software on your PC. Then install this Flexihub and open this Flexihub. You can see the login with token. I hope you can see this on this software. Login with token here. Click on this level login with token, then paste the token. We will provide this token by WhatsApp or any other way. I will give you this token, then log in this token, paste here. Just copy this token, full copy, Ctrl A and copy, just copy and paste here. When you paste this token, it will be login. That's it, just done. You can see the your PC name in the top name is your PC name. You can edit this PC name, then send as Asunlocker. That's my PC name is Asunlocker. You have to send this PC name to Samsung FRP. Remember it. You have to connect your phone in normal mode. I mean, when you connect your phone in normal mode, then I will see your compute in here, like this. So thanks all. I hope this video help to logging Flexihub with token. Thanks a lot.